During the Cold War, space exploration was used as a display of technological might. For example, Yuri Gagarin being the first person in outer space, or the US Apollo 11 mission marking the first time human beings landed on the moon. But as time passed and people realized it was a bit of an exaggeration for NASA's budget to amount to as much as 4.41% of the federal budget in 1966, space programs became less of a public priority and the private sector was encouraged to take over. On the one hand, it kind of worked in that private initiatives do exist, for example, Elon Musk's SpaceX, Blue Origin LLC founded by Jeff Bezos, Virgin Galactic, and so on. However, NASA is still the number one player since, well, the economics of space travel are tricky, because 1. Things like colonizing Mars sound cool, but we're nowhere near ready yet, so as long as the Earth still exists, it's cheaper to just make existing locations like the Gobi Desert more hospitable. 2. Industrial goals like asteroid mining are within reach, but unless those resources become a lot more scarce and thereby expensive on Earth, it costs way too much to be viable. 3. Space travel is perhaps the easiest thing to do, but not exactly scalable, etc. The bottom line is that at this point in time, the economics of space travel aren't amazingly sound, but this doesn't mean visionaries aren't trying to change that. And if you believe in human ingenuity, you have valid reasons to be optimistic that they'll eventually succeed.